So, first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Why we are here today? We are here for group discussion. Okay. Right now we are starting group discussion. So, what's the group discussion topic for today? Noise pollution. So today we will discuss on noise pollution. Okay. So I am with Ayush, Harsh, Shrey, Harshit, Veer, Christy, Aradhya and Paridhi. So 8 students are performing this group discussion. So who will initiate first? Okay. Christy will initiate this topic.
Uh,
Group discussion.
so first of all, as sir has greeted and give introduction of students, so today we are going to start a group discussion on the topic noise pollution. So first I will tell you what is noise pollution. Noise pollution is a type of a pollution which is here because of the noise which are unnecessarily made in our environment and which are very dangerous and harmful for us.
So, as Christy said, the noise which are coming from our environment is really very harmful for us, and the diseases that can be caused due to that voices can be the less. We should have a problem in hearing something, and the people who have blood pressure problems, they should also will have problem with this. And for way to control the noise pollution, we should not speak too much loudly, and we should not play the music very much loudly.
As Raja said that noise pollution causes many diseases. These diseases are mainly caused by loud music, constructions, and the sound of vehicles. And we should not burn crackers because they also produce two type of pollution: noise pollution and air pollution also.
So as a three girls has said about the noise pollution, so I agree with those girls. So let I will tell you about pollutions. So pollution is caused by what we are doing right now. Like if some most of the time we make pollution, noise pollution, no, without any cause. Like some of the children make noise pollution without any reason. As this cause noise pollution in our environment. Most of the times we see that a car are making noise, so that is also a problem of noise pollution. Okay, so but we should not do this. We should make noise because of reason. Like if we are got harm, if someone is kidnapping us, most of the time we got stuck in sometimes, so that time we should make a noise. But most of the time people and children make a noise without any reason, so that is a problem. Thank you.
Noise pollution. There are two types of noise pollution: air pollution and noise pollution. Noise pollution is caused due to the off sound system. Many people play sound system in any festival in loudly, and many people play noise in not any reason.
So first I will tell you about what is noise pollution. The noise pollution is creation of unnecessary sound which is producing by many things like loudspeakers, construction sites, crackers and many more.
Yes, I am agree with all the students. All said that noise pollution is very danger for us. It cause many diseases. It is truly right, because noise pollution is the thing that is the type of pollution, and it's a pollution. We know that pollution is very harmful, and noise pollution is also very harmful. It is caused by we are cry very loudly, and some pupils play music in very loudly, so we have to use earphones and so many things, and don't prevent noise pollution.
So if we are studying in the class with the help of mic and sound system, and so this is also the type of so this is also the cause of noise pollution.
No, it's not that much because we are not using the sound very loudly. We are because the mic does not have any speaker in reality, and it does not give any loud sound, and it records. And as we don't use speakers also, we do everything with normally.
Just you are telling, all of you telling, just means noise pollution is harmful for humans. So actually I am just asking you, noise pollution is harmful for birds, animals and all. How birds can affect by noise pollution?
So because I already said that most of the pupils play music, and they play some loud songs in the loudspeaker. So most of the birds living in the trees, so they are affected by this, because some homes are nearby the tree, and trees are the home of birds. If we play music very loudly, so they are hurted.
So Harshit said in a right way. Actually, birds and animals all are affected by the noise pollution. Noise pollution is not good because means is there any unit of noise we just capture by decibel? Ayush.
Sir, about your question, decimal. Yes. So, as we know, the noise pollution of noise level decimals. As a decimal, measures the noise that is going on word. So, let I come to my question, my answer. So, I agree with the Harshit points, but I don't really agree to Shrey points, as he said that. As he said that noise pollution is mostly caused by as he said correctly, that the noise pollution is mostly done by the speakers. But he also said that also with earbuds. But with the earbuds, it has speaker. It also affects us. That speaker disturb our ears and disturbs ear and also our brain. And now I will tell you about the birds cause of death. Okay. So nowadays the birds are going to decrease in the world. So the reason is noise pollution most of the time. As sometimes we brush crackers in most of the things. So that because when it bursts, it sounds a lot. So most of the birds who are at a higher place got stuck with the noise. Stuck with the noise and fall to the ground and get killed. So that's the reason. Thank you.
Paridhi, what do you want to say?
We can control noise pollution by not burning crackers, and if we want to listen any music, so we can listen it on a normal volume, not a very high volume.
Next. Let's continue.
So we can control noise pollution by speaking slowly, as well as not playing the music in such very high volume. If we want to listen music, we can adjust the music, the volume in the state that we want to hear, not that much that hurt every people. So we should not play any type of music, or we should not speak very loudly. So
I agree with everyone's, but no anyone that say vetoes. Vetoes are also a thing that produce noise pollution, and we don't use vetoes. We don't use vetoes for short distance. So we should not use vetoes for short distance. So we reduce. So we can reduce noise pollution.
As we also covered the topic vehicles, so I am gonna tell more about vehicles. Vehicles are also the main source of noise pollution, because some people blow the horn unnecessarily where there is no use of it and no importance of it. Somewhere, just like there is traffic and someone is staying there for unnecessarily, you can blow the horn. Not you can blow it 1-2 times if he is not if that one is not hearing, one more time, but not that you are blowing it continuously. You can talk to them, because by blowing the horn, not only you and him, everyone will be get disturbed.
Next question is that, is ambulance sound is also the cause of noise pollution? Is ambulance sound is also the cause of noise pollution? So should we stop the ambulance sound?
No, sir, it's not cause, because we see in the popular states that there is so much traffic. So if there is no sound in the ambulance, so some pupils don't side for that persons, and the person got die.
Yes, Ayush.
So as I agree with Harsh's points, that he said the ambulance is for emergency. Yeah, it's true that the ambulance for emergency. As I said that you can shout or you can noise in the emergency time, as the ambulance noise the sound, I don't know, the means. So it is for the people who are on the way of the road. So the sound is for that they should give the ambulance a way to go to hospital. So that's the reason of it.
As I am agree with Harshit and Ayush, because they said the truth that if there will be no sound in the ambulance, so there will be the gone of some people who can be saved, but because of the traffic they will not be saved, and the ambulance driver do not ring the ambulance sound unnecessarily when it is the emergency day only, and it does not take times a lot, and if it is ringing, so everyone gives side, and it can go, and it also not to make a lot of noise pollution.
So if we talk our government, so our government permitted ambulance for the emergency, and there we see in so many Hindu Jayantis and Muslim festivals, they play sound very loudly. So our government banned this, because this is very harmful for animals and all.
Harsh.
Ambulance, in many construction side there are many accidents going on, like any people is doing work and it's fall from building and ambulance come, and in any side we have seen traffic, so the ambulance is blow horn.
Let's talk about the government announcements. Government should not announce for their parties, like government when votes comes near, so the government announces for their parties, like you should give vote to us, we will give free water to you, etc. So government should also avoid that type of noise pollution.
Yes, I agree with Paridhi. The government should stop doing the government should stop doing this type of fake promises, as because as we can see, after the votes, the party who wins, they are not doing the work properly. The riot is going every day for 2 to 3 hours, and it's not coming till night, and they are not working on their promises as they said.
Yeah, I am agree with Aradhya, because you are doing something and you won in that. So it is not the thing that you win so you will make noises and break some rule. Yeah, you are enjoying it, it's a good thing, but with the enjoying you are also disturbing someone, and they are doing some important work of that, and they will be disturbed, and they will not be focused very well. And as they also said about the some speakers which go ring unneedly and unnecessary, because you are making fun, enjoying, you are enjoying, but it is good, but not every time. As you are doing something, not every time you have to ring that songs on the big speakers. You can also enjoy them by singing them by yourself without any mic or thing.
I have very good example of decibels. We have recently talked about this. We see in last IPL. We see in last IPL in the CSK's match when Dhoni come from batting. So the decibels reach around 120 decibels. It is very danger for a normal human. It's caused many diseases related to our brain. So we don't do this because they are cricketers. Their work is play. So we don't do this.
So the value of decibel is 2 decibel to 150 decibel. It is able to listen after a normal human being cannot survive if the decibel value is increasing.
So as I agree with Harsh's points, as he said about the cricket match, as he talked about Dhoni and the decimal reach about 120 decimals. As we know that sometimes ago a volcano eruption has occurred in Japan. That was about 200 decimals. That is about 30 kilometers. As you can think that what is about 30 kilometers, you can mark the distance of about Dharwad to Dabra. That it's a area of 15 kilometer only. It's a area of 50 kilometer only. Now imagine how much the area has affected by the noise, and most of the people ear tissue has lost. So we should not do noise pollution the most, as we most of the time we talking about 2 decimals. So most of the people use speakers, so it's a decimal about 30 to 20 decimals. So it's also harmful for our and also for animals' brain. Thank you. As I used to say that volcanoes spread so many sound, but it's natural. We can't do anything. If we talk about some peoples who cracked the crackers for unnecessary, so they don't do this because the crackers spread so many pollution. We need to use crackers in some festivals and all. We don't use crackers unnecessary. Thank you.
Yes, I agree with Harshit's point that he said that we does not burn crackers because it makes so many pollution like air pollution, noise pollution, and so many other, and it disturbs the other people who are working for a very long time, and it affects many people for their to their brain. That's all.
As Ayush and Harshit Agrawal said that many people use big DJs and speakers, so it is illegal in India, but now many people use a big sound of a speaker like 30 decibels, or many people use speakers for also 50 decibels. It is very harmful for other small organisms and all the insects, and also it is very harmful for some persons, and also for childrens. And as Ayush said that sometimes ago, like about 50 years, there was a volcano eruption that was like 200 decibels. So it is very much harmful for many persons. So there was a city, nearby the volcano eruption. So all the Yes, sir.
I'm just asking you, the sound of sound of clouds is also the cause of noise pollution. Sound of cloud. Yes. Shivansh.
Yes, the sound of cloud is also a noise pollution because uh, yes, the thunder is a the thunder is a process the big matlab, and big cloud noise and create noise, and it's causes many people's and doing getting heart attack and many disease.
I am agree with Shivansh here because he said when thunder storms struck from the cloud, so many people get a heart attack and many diseases. That's all.
And what's your opinion?
Noise pollution. It's a very harmful pollution because it's come from industries, loud music, etc. And it cause many health issues just like high blood pressure, sleeping disturbance, etc.
Yes.
As Samek said that there are if people use big speakers or some loud speaker or any bad speaker for the enjoyment, so there are many health issues and health problems for a person, like their ear tissues will tear and there are also many problems in health issues, and also many people blood pressure become high. And I agree with I also agree with Shivansh Bhaiya, as he said that many people use sounds and other things.
Noise pollution is very harmful for everyone, and it is too much spreading in Delhi because there are a lot of vehicles, and in Delhi like in marriage, in weddings, the people use very high based sounds, mm, and and high based sound, and there will be causes to our ears and damage our ears.
Manvi, how can we reduce noise pollution?
We can reduce noise pollution by do some activities, but in little sound, as if we take an example of traffic. So in traffic we are follow the traffic lights. Don't make any loud noise because we know that if we are make loud noise, there is no solution. We can follow the ways that traffic police they can help us to reduce the traffic. And if we are take an example of DJ and DJ based solution, so it is if we are any festivals or any function, so we can use, but in not much loud volume. We can use it on
we can use it in so many little volume. And if we take an example of crackers, so we can use crackers, but don't we can use crackers, but crackers which is only sparkles, not make any loud sound. That's all.
Noise pollution is harmful and danger for humans and animals. There are so many pollution in Delhi. There are three types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. Everyday noise pollution spread the day by day.
Manvi Didi said right. The noise pollution is very harmful for human and animal, bird also. The human, the traveler, the car and the horn. So this is the noise pollution, and people operate the phone, and he speak loudly, and child cry. This is noise pollution. That's all.
As Manu said, and sir said that how can we reduce noise pollution? According to me, we can not use DJ, not can use DJ or loudspeaker. We can sing by ourselves on mic, or in our home, and we can also not make a noise by scolding anyone, or by beeping. That's all.
My opinion is that about how to reduce noise pollution is that we should turn off the electronics when we don't use them, and lower the sound when we watch TV and on music.
In my opinion, the noise pollution is reduced by planting tree, and don't make any noise if unlessly, and if we and there are so many disadvantage of noise pollution, just like it is very harmful for the patients, like who are suffering from disease, asthma, heart blood pressure, high pressure, and diabetes. These patients have a very peacefulness. These people require a very peaceful place. If we make noise, so there are some chances of die for the patients, and they got many diseases.
Nowadays, people using earbuds more and more, and they hear music and watch videos by taking earbuds in their ears. And they watch videos on high volume, and they and after 5 or 6 years, they and they will be dumb. That's all.
And the Kush is right. Kush said that the people, everyone's ear in earbuds sound. Earbuds is a very loud sound, and pupils play music and videos in high volume. It causes a break the eardrum, and he and we are dumb.
Very people use for earbuds, in the high volume, and earbuds save sound in directly our ears, and many people are used in high volume. So earbuds destroy our eardrums, and
Noise pollution is harmful for environment. The unpleasant sounds cause several disturbance and create a imbalance in the environment. Don't speak loudly and don't play music in high volume and not hear a song in high volume.
So, is you already know there is a lots of noise pollution at home. So, can you please let me know morning to evening? So, means what type of noise pollution at home?
In morning, the alarm is also noise pollution for our ears, but it is also good that we are wake up early, and in nearby my home, a DJ is set up by my neighborhoods, so it is also a noise pollution. And then if my brother operate phone in very loud sound, so it is also a noise pollution. But my grandfather does not make any noise pollution.
I agree with everyone that in home there are so many ways to increase noise pollution, but it is very harmful for us. It is in our hand how to increase and how to decrease noise pollution. It is harmful for us. There are lots of diseases we get from us. If we are saying about noise pollution, it is very harmful for us. So that's all about from us, and please like, subscribe, share and this video, and that's all from us.